Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Amazon Fire Stick not working on Samsung TV problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So make sure to watch the video till the end and listen to all the points carefully. The first is simply restart your device, unplug the power cord from both the TV and the Fire Stick, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug them back in, right? Then check the HDMI connection. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the TV and Fire Stick. If the cable is loose, it may cause connectivity issues. Afterwards, update the software. Ensure that both your TV and Fire Stick are running the latest software. Go to settings and then system and then software updates on your Fire Stick and check for updates for both. Then change the HDMI port. Try connecting the Fire Stick to a different HDMI port on your TV to see if the current port is damaged. If it is, change it. Then reset the Fire Stick, go to settings, select device, and then select reset to factory defaults on your Fire Stick to reset it to its original settings. Then check the TV input. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input to receive the signal from the Fire Stick itself. Make sure to try all of these steps as I have mentioned and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.